Hello everyone, welcome to MOMEMA Learning. Today we are going to learn spices names in English. Spices make our food tasty and colorful. Let's learn their names with pictures. Cumin, cumin, coriander, coriander, mustard, mustard, fenugreek, fenugreek, fennel, fennel, cloves, cloves, cinnamon, cinnamon, green cardamom, green cardamom, black cardamom, black cardamom, bay leaves, bay leaves, nutmeg, nutmeg, star anise, star anise, mace, mace, carom seeds, carom seeds, nigella seeds, nigella seeds, black pepper, black pepper, white pepper, white pepper, red chili, poppy seeds, poppy seeds, sesame seeds, sesame seeds, dry ginger, dry ginger, turmeric, turmeric, saffron, saffron, asafoetida, asafoetida. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MOMEMA Learning channel.